This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the last secure stitch and leaving a 3 to 4 inch tail on both the old and new yarns. This gives you room to weave. Once done, slip the new yarn onto your hook with a loose slip knot or prepare a magic knot if you want no tail. Make sure to hold both tails together and work the next stitch through both strands for 2 to 3 stitches to lock tension. This prevents gaps and keeps your fabric even as you continue crocheting. Once the join is secure, continue by crocheting 2 to 4 stitches with both the old and new yarn together. This locks the join and eases the tension transition. Make sure to keep your usual grip and stitch length so the fabric gauge remains consistent. Then move the tails to the wrong side and weave them in across 4 to 6 stitches using your hook or a tapestry needle, which hides ends and prevents unraveling. If the row looks tight or loose, you finish by completing the current stitch and then weaving tails back and forth across the fabric to secure them. This keeps the piece stable. Make sure to trim tails to about 1/4 inch after weaving so they don't poke out. Leave slightly longer if you prefer extra security. If you notice a tight or loose spot, don't panic. Unravel 3 to 6 stitches, rejoin the new yarn, and rework those stitches while matching tension. That quick redo usually fixes uneven joins and keeps your project looking uniform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.